love looking for new ways to build. Shasta, we thrive on innovation. We have to have constantly be innovating. And of course, yeah, you always look at price, but the one thing that we look at is what is the best. I'm Jeff Ast, I'm General Manager of Construction for Shasta Pools. And when I first started working in the pools, they're pretty basic pools. You had squares, you had curves, but now it's not about swimming anymore. It's about environment. With that, creating that environment comes more complex pools. We've done such things as increase the size of the rebar and the bomb beam, which is the backbone of a swimming pool. We do a key locking deck, which most other companies just don't do. We actually make that structure, which is not only the shell of the pool, but the deck of the pool, one. We tie it all in together with rebar, with extra concrete. It just keeps that deck from popping up and moving all over the place. We have crews that actually have 3 generations right now. That legacy is going to continue. It makes it for a really good environment. Not only the in-house crews, but we have subcontractors that we call our inner outer family. For instance, our electricians have been with us for over 30 years, deck people over 25 years, tile people 20 years, and they all come together in what we call a swimming pool and build it together, hand in hand, working around each other, sometimes on top of each other, but they all do it, and it works. It just works.